cello bass, I want you to look at the rhythm on the board behind me. So remember that for the first note, there are 2 eighth notes inside. So we're going to use E's and D's just to help us practice the bowing that we'll have to apply as well with the slurs. So notice the combo pack on count 3. I'll demonstrate here. 4 and 1 and slur and 1. Okay, so I only changed to D's for the first note of each slur. Okay, let's play this together. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Basses, look at measure 54. This is the rhythm we just practiced on the board. Starts off with a quarter note, and then the combo pack. So we have to start on C natural and then shift down to F natural. Let's try 54 together. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Cello bass, look at the rhythm on the board. We've got a dotted eighth note slurred to a 16th note. And then basses, you're the top line. You've got a slur on the last set of notes, and cellos, you're the bottom line. You're going to stay on a D quarter note while you hear the basses switch from D to E. So let me play the bass version for you. Starts with a slur, and I have to subdivide. 1 E and a 2 and 3 and 4 and. While cellos would have held that last D longer. Let's play this together, please. Bow on string, E ready to land. 4 E and a, E and. 4 and. One more time. Keep track of all those D's. 4 E and a, 1 E and. 4 and. Basses. Now I want you to find measure 57 and find count 2 and count 3. So we have some shifting to do here. We have C natural, and then we have to shift so we can play E with pinky, and then cross over for the A with first finger. So that's not meant to shift all the way back. That's crossing over. And then you can go back to regular C with first finger. I know it says a 2 here, but first finger's fine, because then we go to open G next. So play that C with me, shift to the E, cross over for A, shift back to C. Let's do that again. C, up to E, cross over A, back to C. Now let's play those slightly faster. I'll demonstrate. Let's try that. 3 and 4 and. This is a situation where if you can memorize those notes so you can watch your fingers, that is super helpful. Let's try that again. 4 and. Now look at the entire measure. So it's that 1 E, first finger, 1 E and. So this is the rhythm we just practiced, but this is a very complicated measure for bass. I'll play it for you again, and then in the next video we'll try it together. 4 E and a, 1 E and a, shift, cross over, shift down. 4E and 1E and shift, crossover, shift, open. Again, I'm trying to memorize that whole entire measure so I can really watch my fingers. Let's do that again. 57. 4E and 1E and shift, crossover, shift, open. One more time. Set up that first finger. Look at the measure to try and memorize more of it. Here we go. 57. 4E and 1E and shift, crossover. Now look at measure 58. It has a dotted eighth note to start the measure, and then some straight crossings, and that very long dotted quarter note. Let's try this together at 58. 4E and 1E and C, D, and 4. Again, 4E and 1E and 3 and 4. One more time. 4E and 1E and 3 and 4. Now let's back up to measure 56 and try to put these all together. 4 and. 1E and a shift, crossover, shift. 1E and 4. I accidentally played a G string at 58 instead of first finger A. Let's do that again. I'll see if I can improve. 56, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1E and a shift, crossover. 1E and 3 and 4. One more time for good luck. This is extremely challenging. You'll want to practice this set of measures every single day. 4 and 1 and 4 and 1E and 1E and 3 and 4. Basses, let's play from 54 all the way up to 59. Set up that first finger C, be ready to shift back to F natural. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1E and 2 and crossover. 1E and 3 and 4. Let's explore a little bit at 62. We have a quarter note C natural, F natural to B slur, and then 16th notes that use F sharp. So here we are, 62, C natural, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4E and 1. One more time, 4 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, basses, we are ready to play from 51 down to 63. Set yourself up. Try to keep your eyes on the music and look at entire measures or group of notes at the same time. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest. and